Hi everyone, I'm
Hi.
Hien, and you are?
Evan, and I'm 4.
You're 4, and what's your name?
Eli. Eli's. He's my brother.
Really? Oh, you
And
got-
he's 3.
He's 3? Okay, and you want to talk about his what?
Birthday.
Okay, so what do you want to talk about his birthday? What do you want to say?
You start, Dad.
Well, we had a lot of fun on his birthday. You want to tell what we did? Do we have,
Eli got a big car.
we had some nachos, and you got a big car. Yep, a big car, and you get to drive it. Are you getting pretty good at driving that car?
Yep.
Yeah, you're a pretty good driver, huh? Have you been crashing through things?
No.
No? Good. And did you get to, and then we also, we got to hit a pinata. It was a Buzz Lightyear pinata.
Yeah, and I hit its head off.
You hit his head, yeah, you whacked his head off. And then everyone got to get toys out of the pinata, and candy, chocolate, and I think we got some ice cream too. Did we get ice cream? No ice cream?
Yes.
I think we did, yeah.
In the house.
But most importantly, we got to see all our friends, and they all came out to play with us. And we got a bounce house.
Yeah.
It was an Avenger Marvel bounce house. Is that pretty cool?
Yeah.
Yeah? Eli, what's your favorite part?
I missed it. Because it was gone.
Yeah, we only got it for one day, and then took it back.
Daddy?
Yep.
Can you guys get a bounce house for me when I'm 5?
Yeah, you could ask. Oh.
I already asked.
Okay, we'll ask you again when your birthday comes in 6 months.
I am so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's right.
That means my birthday is so close to me.
Yeah, but 6 months feels like a long time for a kid, but really fast for grown-ups. I don't know why that happens. Maybe there's a theory of relativity going on in there, where time flies as you're getting older, and it takes forever when you're a kid. Huh?
I'm not a kid anymore. I'm a big boy.
Yeah, you're a big boy. That's a big boy. So, you want to tell them your ABCs? Like, you want to teach them something? What you've been learning about ABCs? Huh? You want to teach them what you learned about your ABCs? Huh? What does letter A say? And what does letter B say?
Ba.
And letter C? Oh, I can show my belly here. Letter C and k. Letter D.
Dun dun dun.
Da.
Da.
Letter E.
Da.
Letter E.
F.
Letter F. Alright, G. H. Hot. Like,
Told you. Like sun.
yeah, hot.
Like sun.
And what letter I? I? Like eh. Like igloo or
You are
and
so
then
funny,
I,
Dad.
how about letter J? What letter J say?
Tramp.
What?
It bounces.
J for
Jump.
and letter D.
J starts trampoline.
What letter D? J. Okay. And letter D. J.
Oh.
K.
Okay.
K for what? Hey, don't pull my shirt. K for K.
What?
K. And
Kick.
L. Letter L.
La. Lick.
Like M.
La.
And
Lollipop.
Yep. That's a
La.
letter L.
La.
And M is
Mud.
For
Mud.
Mud. Letter N for
Mad.
what is letter N? Nanny. Nah. How about
Muffin.
letter O?
Muffin.
O for
Oh, F
O.
starts with muffin.
M for muffin, yeah. M and O. What's O for octopus?
I know that.
Okay, O. Can you give me another O then?
O says
For
octopus.
P. Letter P. For what does the letter P say?
Oh, pizza.
For
P.
P.
Good. P says P.
It says P.
P starts with P.
P.
P comes out of your penis.
But that's not appropriate. What does the letter P say? P. Okay. How about Q?
What?
Q. What does Q say?
That. Quack, 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 quack.
How about R?
R says
S.
Hey, starts
S say?
with his car.
What's S say?
No. Car.
S for. What's S say? Yeah, don't touch the monitor. No.
How about we start
S.
with you?
For
You.
snake. Tell it T. After T is U. What does T say?
We did S.
Tap.
We already did
S.
S.
Yeah, we did S. Now after S is T. Where's T? What's after T?
It's like you have rings on your
Remember,
glasses.
you're teaching people T. What's T? They want to watch your video, right? You gotta teach them what T is. What's T?
I don't know what these are.
T for t.
Ton.
T.
Tongue.
Tongue. Okay. Goes T U. U. What does U say?
Head.
U for
Who do that?
for
For like, I tripped. Who do that?
What V? V for what does V say?
Who do that? Bum bum bum.
Okay. How about
Ba ba ba
there's the U,
ba.
V, W?
Bum
What
bum
does
bum
W say?
What?
What does W say?
I don't remember that
Wha-
sound. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh, okay. W says what?
What?
What? W.
What? Yeah.
X. What does X say?
X.
Okay. Wow.
X-ray.
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 And what does Y say? Why are you pulling my shirt? Look, people are seeing my skin, my epidermis. Why? What does Y say?
I got hairy back.
What does Y say?
I got hairy back.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, what does Y say? Yeah.
Yeah.
And what does Z say? Z.
Can I see me?
No. What does Z say? Z. What does Z say? Alright, say goodbye. We're done with our video.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Now.